Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your Motorola Moto G06 Power. So first, we're gonna go over to the settings, and in the settings, we're gonna go and check the sound and vibration. So here we have it, as you guys can see. Now, all we have to do is adjust the media and call volume in the settings. So as you guys can see, my call volume and the media volume are set up properly. You guys can turn them up, but make sure that it's up to your preference. So after you adjust them here, make sure to disable Do Not Disturb. And as you guys can see, Do Not Disturb is also in the sound and vibration, and right here we have it. So when it's turned on, you will see Turn Off Now. So click on it, and as you guys can see, now it's off, and we do not have to worry about having DND on. Now, what can we do? We can clean our speaker port. So, as you guys can see, here we have it. We can clean the speaker grills right here, but we need to make sure that we use a soft brush or anything that's gonna get inside of it and not destroy it. So remember to use something soft and not something that can damage the entire speaker. So after that, what you guys can do is go over to the main page right here and scroll a bit down until you guys see system updates. In the system updates, go over and click check for updates, and let me quickly connect to internet and I'll show you guys what to do next. So now we are connected to the internet. Let's click on try again. And now it's checking for updates. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me, but if you do not get the same notification here like me, then you will simply have to update your phone. So I recommend doing that because it can fix a lot of glitches, including the audio bugs glitches. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.